Hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the most profitable traffic sources for affiliate marketing. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. As I mentioned before, I'm gonna be sharing with you the most profitable traffic sources for affiliate marketing. Whenever we are starting an online business, we're usually thinking about traffic. Yeah, we need more people to see our offer. So we usually take that into consideration, but to be honest, not all traffic sources are created equals. For example, we have the social networks like Facebook, we have Twitter, right? We also have Instagram, which are really powerful social network. We have Snapchat, right? But the thing about these traffic sources, right, is that most people, they are trying to entertain themselves. They are not usually active looking for information, right? They are, trying to find out what other people are doing in their spare time, if they enjoy how they, enjoy the weekend, what they do, like if they went to the movie, if they went to a fancy restaurant, if they hang out, what happened. So they are not actively looking for your offer. They're not actively looking for a solution. Remember that whenever we are trying to make an affiliate commission, we need to find people who have a solution or do have a situation that they want to solve, and our affiliate product, it's that solution that they were looking for. So the best way is by doing that on search traffic. Okay, search traffic. Oops, sorry. It's okay. We're gonna have doing, but on search traffic, for example, we can use Google or we can use YouTube. Remember that YouTube is the second largest search engine. Okay, it is just after Google. So here on search, people are actively searching for a solution. Okay, people are actively searching for a solution. Yes, they might be finding for entertaining as well, because there are videos about memes and all that stuff, but also people are looking um, for a solution to their problem, like okay, I'm actively looking for a plumber who is nearby, right? They're gonna go to Google and Google is gonna provide the solution. Maybe they want to do the fix themselves. They can do the search on Google, or they can do a search in YouTube if they want to watch a video of how to, have that fix, right? But they're actively looking for that. So if I have the solution in my video, like, hey, I don't know, let's say that you want to build a share. I'm just making it up. Okay, so I have a video teaching you guys how to cut the woods, how to put everything together, and voila, you have the best share ever. And I told you, like, hey, you know what? If you want to go and grab the same materials that I'm using, you can go to XYZ store, right? And that store have my affiliate link. So you're gonna click on it because you watch my video, you learn how I did it, you like it, so you want to make sure that the share that you're going to build, it's going to look exactly as mine, right? So as you can see, people are actively looking for that information. Sometimes people do the search on Google about reviews on the products. They already know, they already hear about the product, but they are not sure if that product is the best for them. So they're looking they're doing search about reviews, honest opinions. They can do it on Google and they can do it on YouTube. But if you have your ad on the social network, yeah, you can have the best ad ever, really target. But guess what? Sometimes people are not in front of the computer and doing the search. Maybe they're at the concert, maybe they're at the restaurant, and they are scrolling all the information super fast, and your ad was there. right? Again, remember that people here on social networks, they are not actively looking for the information, okay? So this is going to be like a number game. So that means that you need to have a lot of people watching what you have to offer. If you have a Facebook group, you need to be creating content super consistently. And sometimes, and I don't know if you have experienced this, I have experienced it, and it's pretty sad. Sometimes you know, see something on the feed, and then because I click somewhere else before I, you know, was paying attention to that ad or to that information, and I go back, the information is just gone, and it's pretty hard to find it. The same with uh, groups. Although you can do the search, sometimes it's just the group has a lot of content, it's hard to find it. Sometimes you don't remember, you don't recall what's the name of the group, what's the name of the page that you were following. It can be difficult, okay? It can be difficult. So this is the mindset, right, on the social networks. And this is something really important, is that if you want to have a profitable online business with affiliate marketing or any other kind of business, online business, you need to make sure that you're gonna grab people's attention, but people who are willing to invest, you know, people who are looking for a solution, not people who are just there, you know, uh, having a good time or spare time, you know, on the social network. So you need to be really careful about that, because you will need to have tons of eyeballs on the social networks, right? If you want to, you know, have those clicks, super valuable clicks from people who are really interested in what you have to offer. But if you spend on ads or you create content for, let's say, for a blog or video content for YouTube, people are gonna search it and it's gonna be evergreen. Okay, that's how this system it's built. You know, it's built to be searchable. So the content is gonna be evergreen. So that means that this video that I'm recording right now, people in the future are gonna be able to find it, right? So I don't need that many eyeballs, right? I don't need that many eyeballs because this is target traffic. So this is a traffic that I need, right? This is a traffic that I need, and this is a traffic that you actually need. Okay, so please take that into consideration whenever you're doing your business. I know everybody's talking about social networks. I know social networks is a hit. And actually what you're gonna do is, for example, I record my YouTube videos, and if people click on the description, they can see my social networks. So guess what? I'm also building my social presence, but I already quote unquote create a relationship with them because they recognize me, you know, as an expert, as a person who is building content, right? So whenever they follow me on these other social networks, they know that I provide valuable information. Okay, so focus on search traffic. If you are scared to be in front of camera, don't worry, you can do videos. You don't need to show yourself. You can do a PowerPoint recording, a screen recording, you know. All you can be doing blogs, you know, you can be indexing blog posts on Google, and you're gonna have traffic as well. So this is it for this video. I hope you find this content valuable. If you have some questions, if you have some comments, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.